Should you train at night or in the morning? Stay tuned to find out. The best time to train, whether that be in the morning or afternoon, can vary depending on your individual schedule, preferences, and of course, goals. However, there are some general advantages and disadvantages to each time of day that you may want to consider. First, we'll go over the benefits of morning exercise. One, you may have more energy and focus in the morning, especially after a good night's sleep. Uh, Two, exercising in the morning can help you start your day off on a positive note and boost your mood. Three, morning workouts help you establish a consistent routine and avoid any scheduling conflicts that may arise later in the day. And four, your metabolism may be boosted for several hours after a morning workout, which could aid in weight loss and management. Next, afternoon workouts or nighttime workouts, whichever fits your schedule. One of the benefits may include your body temperature and hormone levels being at their peak in the afternoon, which can lead to better performance and endurance during your workout. Also, afternoon or evening workouts are a good way to relieve stress and boost your energy levels midday. So, do a little exercise on your break. Three, if you tend to feel stiff or sore in the morning and working out in the afternoon can help you loosen up and reduce discomfort. Four, if you prefer to sleep in, I'm not judging you, I'm just saying what I do. I get up and go. When you have other commitments in the morning, afternoon workouts can be more convenient for your schedule. Whatever you decide to do, the best time to train is the time that works for your schedule. Consider your daily routine, habits, energy levels, and other scheduling constraints you may have, like kids or sports teams, and choose a time that allows you to consistently stick to your fitness goals. Comment below what you're going to do today to live longer, feel better, and add them to your use.